So CyrusOne is really a pure play data center provider, space, power, interconnection. But what we need is actually additional compute power. So bringing in cloud partners or the sky for the cloud is something that's a primary goal of ours. By having those cloud providers either directly interconnected to our facilities or locally, our customers can go and get on-demand compute power instantly. We want to create that ecosystem for our customers. So CyrusOne looks at data centers as really hubs of the internet, and you can use the analogy like an airport. If you come in from an airline from Brazil and you fly to Houston, well, that airline stops there. They don't go to anywhere else in the world, and they need a place to hand off that traffic. So by making ourselves the hub of the internet, we actually get our customers closer to the center of the internet, reducing costs, reducing latency, getting better performance, and a happier customer in the end. CyrusOne previously operated data centers just like any other enterprise. They would have an MDF and home runs to all of the different spaces within the facilities, to different cages and everything else to offer a solution. That was the old way of doing things, and it didn't offer security or very much efficiency. So CyrusOne's new way of actually offering interconnectivity is much more dynamic. Using Brocade and a back-end optical infrastructure from Infinera, we're able to offer interconnectivity between data centers in the metro.
So our Internet Exchange product consists of our Infinera DWDM platform, which connects to our Brocade MLX32 and MLX16 platforms. We use the Brocade MLX platform to aggregate customers at large-scale Ethernet speeds of 10 and 100 gigabits per second. So when building this Internet Exchange, we wanted to move away from traditional Layer 2 topologies and focus on something like MPLS, VPLS in our core.
The exciting thing about a Brocade MLX combination is that we're able to offer speeds and feeds at 10 and even 100 gigs and able to scale that up infinitely. The current Brocade platform we have is 768 10 gig ports per chassis. That's really massive scale. We put them in redundantly and use VLL between those chassis. So if an oil and gas customer actually wants to exchange traffic with a partner now, it's as fast as throwing up a 10 gig connection or multiple 10 gig connections or a 100 gig connection and exchanging traffic instantly with their partner. They might still want to have tape in the back end and move that around with security vehicles and do it the slow way, but now it's instant on connectivity, instant scaling. Of course, that means growth inside of our data centers and a happier customer. So CyrusOne is endeavoring on a massive expansion plan throughout the country. We're adding 2 new markets every year, but in addition we have existing markets where we're doing expansions, including here at Houston West. This building is 100,000 square feet. We actually look at this like a baby data center. You're in one half of the data center, which is really the raw concrete shell, and we can stand up white floor space, powered and ready to go in 16 weeks inside of this space. The other half of it is already white floor space, and that'll be live in about a week.